It's learning time! And let's talk about football. Stadium, team, player, goalkeeper, football, trophy, referee, whistle, yellow card, red card. Let's talk about the World Cup 2026. Who are the World Cup mascots? Maple from Canada, Zayu from Mexico, Clutch from the USA. Quiz. What country flags do you know? 1. Canada or Portugal? Canada. 2. Germany or Portugal? Portugal. 3. Brazil or England? Brazil. 4. England or Japan? England. Mexico or Spain? Mexico. 6. Canada or USA? USA. 7. South Africa or Germany? Germany. 8. Belgium or Spain? Spain. 9. Egypt or South Africa? South Africa. 10. Argentina or Colombia? Argentina. 11. South Korea or Japan? Japan. 12. France or England? France. Bravo! You really know the country flags. It's game time. Choose the correct word. Team, football, player, goalkeeper, stadium. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.